It's actually getting that debate going about the RRI, the responsible research and innovation, and the socio-scientific dilemmas, and about the fact that there isn't one right answer, but there's a range of opinions, and we want the students to have these opinions that are based on evidence and develop those argumentative skills. So we're looking at higher order thinking skills here for all our students, and we have to think about how we actually scaffold that for some students who are not used to that way of actually operating and thinking. And in terms of about need to know, it's something that the students are actually interested in, something that's going to be relevant to them, but it also needs to be challenging, something that's going to challenge their current thinking, and that's why the dilemmas and the problem-solving approach is so important, because they do make them question what their ideas and thoughts are. In terms of our students, actually, if we're moving them on and there's a challenge there, then we're growing their brains. So not only are we developing them into scientists who are ethically informed, but actually we're growing them into citizens who can question and think. Also, as a teacher orchestrating this across a whole class, the scientific knowledge and also the scientific skills, and develop those, we can emphasise the various opinions and controversies that they might not get in a small group. So by taking it out to a larger group, then we're broadening their thinking to draw in more ideas. We can seed the conversation and add in alternative viewpoints and thinking. And then finally, it's getting the students to reflect on their opinion and actually think about what they're saying. How do we manage to get everybody involved, draw on particular students to substantiate ideas or thoughts, or get groups of students who have differing points to put across their views to each other? So we need to think about that structured approach, that actually it's not just one idea, but there's lots of multifacets that come to this. And then we get this conversation growing where we construct and articulate an argument across a whole class, which can be difficult. And one of the key things that we think about is the purpose of the question and why we're asking it. So if we wanted to do a whole class discussion, there's two main reasons that we would do that. It's either to get the students thinking and challenge them, or it's actually to check for their understanding of concepts. And there's lots of research out there that peers who work together actually influence and develop each other's thinking. It also helps them develop their argumentation, which is this evidence-based reasoning linking to the dilemma and actually making sure that the claims that they're looking at are substantiated and have something that underpins them.
So thank you everybody, and see you in the next one.
Thanks, Sally. Thank you, John. Thank you, everybody.